Today we got a full body single kettlebell workout. I'm Coach Zach with Coach Ashley and Vania. Let's get it. You're gonna pick a lighter kettlebell to start. After the first set, if you wanna go a little bit heavier, feel free to do so. I'll take you through first rep and then they'll join just so you can see what we're doing. First exercise is a row switch. Legs wide, you're gonna get that nice hinge position. Start with the kettlebell in your left hand. You're gonna row it towards your belly button and then you're gonna switch to the other hand. It's a dynamic little juggle. So row, switch, switch. Ready? 3, 2, 1, we're doing 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, right to the belly button. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then come up into a rack position. Strong wrist, elbow tight. Bring your feet a little bit closer. We're gonna do some thrusters. 5 thrusters on this side. Squat down, inhale, exhale, press. 1, 2, 3, 2 more, 4, 5, switch sides. And again, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, down. That's round 1. Not too bad, right? Feel free to grab a heavier kettlebell if you'd like. Shake it out. That was a little easy. Maybe we do 4 rounds. Just kidding. Round 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up into that rack. Bring the feet in. 5 thrusters. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, switch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, down. Shake it out. One more round. Feel free to go to 5 rounds if you'd like. It's just a nice little full body. You got a row, some back, you got a squat, legs, and a press, shoulders. Bring it all together. Get your Monday, get your week started off right. Round 3, you ready? You ready? Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up into that rack, 5 squats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, switch. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, done. Good job, everybody. 3 rounds. You probably still got 2 rounds to go because that was a little easy. Get your week started off right. I'm Coach Zach, Coach Ashley, and Vania, and we'll see you next time. Yeah.